These simple, delicious and totally unique pancakes are made from just a few basic ingredients and a dash of creativity. Whether soft and chewy or crispy and crunchy, they are the perfect breakfast or snack with a fun twist. Start by sifting the wheat and rice flour into the large bowl. Then throw in some cornstarch, sugar, salt and a hint of vanilla. Give it a good mix. Think of it as your batter's morning stretch. Crack in that egg and slowly pour in the milk while stirring like you are training for an arm wrestling contest. Dump it all at once if you are brave, but be prepared to mix like a champ. Stir in vegetable oil to smooth things out. Remember, olive oil brings a bit of bitterness, while sunflower oil is totally neutral. Slip a disposable piping bag over a blender cup. Pour your butter into a piping bag or improvise with a plastic bag if you are feeling rebellious. Tie it off and snip a tiny tip, just 2-3 millimeters. Now you are ready to get swirly. Heat up a medium pan, medium heat of course, and unleash your batter in beautiful spirals like you are making pancake art. Wait until golden and glorious on one side. No oil in the pan. Think of it as a dry runway for your pancake's grand exit. Roll up each pancake into a tube while it is still sizzling, channeling your inner sushi chef. Serve hot for soft perfection or bake at low temperature for crispy delight. Like and subscribe.